In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Zoom meeting. Before we begin, it's important to know that this feature is only available in the Zoom app, so make sure you are using the desktop or mobile application rather than joining from a browser if you want to follow these steps successfully. This is a quick process, but it helps to know exactly where to look so you can start recording without any confusion during your meeting. First, join the meeting you want to record. You could do this by opening the Zoom app and entering the meeting as you normally would. Make sure you are fully connected to the meeting before moving on. Once you're inside, take a moment to confirm that your audio and video are working properly, especially if you plan to refer back to the recording later. Having everything set up correctly at the start will make the final recording much more useful. After you've joined the meeting, look for the More option in the meeting controls. Depending on the device you're using, this may appear directly in the toolbar or as a menu option with 3 dots. The meeting controls are usually located at the bottom of the screen on desktop or along the lower part of the screen on mobile. If you don't immediately see the controls, move your mouse or tap the screen to make them appear. Click on More to open the Additional Options menu. This is where Zoom places features that are not always shown in the main control bar. Opening this menu gives you access to extra tools, including the recording option you need. Then, click Record. As soon as you do this, Zoom will begin recording the meeting. In many cases, participants may hear or see a notification that recording is started, which helps keep everyone informed. Once recording is active, you can continue with your meeting as usual, and that's all there is to it. The key thing to remember is that recording must be started from within the Zoom app after you've joined the meeting by opening the More menu and selecting Record. But that is it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.